Modern Cleaning Solutions is a green-friendly commercial cleaning Tampa Bay company. They specialize in environmentally friendly cleaning services for offices, medical facilities, churches, schools, and daycares. Just because something smells good or looks clean doesn't mean that it's safe or a healthy environment. Modern Cleaning Solutions only uses green-friendly products, no aerosols or carcinogenic chemicals that protect the health of your employees and customers. Their processing methods improve indoor air quality by removing pathogens and dirt instead of just spreading them around. Contrary to popular belief, green-friendly cleaning is no more expensive than what any other traditional commercial cleaning Tampa company charges, and it's much more effective. The company provides complete janitorial services and floor care.
Modern Cleaning Solutions serves the entire Tampa Bay area and will come to you.
For more information on Commercial Cleaning Tampa services or to schedule an appointment,
call 813-900-0226
or visit moderncleaningsolutions.com.